Hey, if you want to use keyboard translation feature on your Redmi 14C, then all you have to do is just open your keyboard and click right here. Now select Translate and select your native language. So I'm gonna stay with the detect one, so I'm gonna actually use the English, and I would like to actually transfer this one, for example, into the Arabic. So right now, let's start. We have to actually type right here. And as you can see right now, it's like automatically translate what we are typing in this pool into the real, it just translates in the real time every phrase that we are typing right here in this pool. So this is like great extension, especially when you are typing with someone from different region that is not familiar with your language. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.